Hello everyone. Now I will show you how to create Facebook account by using email address. And now let's start. Open the Facebook app. I have a Facebook, so let me log out. Click on log into another account, sign up for Facebook. Now we click on sign up for Facebook. Get start. First name, put your name. Last name, your surname. Let me create. Click on go. So when your birth date, select your birth date. Okay, continue. Select your gender. If you male, click on male. Female, click on female. Next. This point, if you have phone number, you can create by using phone number. Now I create using your email address. Now I'm using Gmail address. So enter your email address. My email address. This point you can put your email address. If you don't know how to create email, please watch my previous video. I will put the link in description. Click go. So create your own password. So let's create password. So I create my password. I put one symbol, one capital letter, and small letter, capital letter, and small letter, and number. After already create password, we click on go. Click on sign up. Now we add profile picture. We can add profile picture. If you don't want now, you can click skip. So now we add the profile picture. So the first button show a photo from your gallery, and the second button take a photo. Now I choose a photo. So let's choose a photo that you want. I put this photo and use. After that, click on find friend. Now I skip. For this, we can check this email for confirm the code. So I go to check my email. Sorry. And this my email that's created the previous video. Now I see the number. Authorize require confirm Facebook account. So you can see this code 50, 53 and number 8. So go to Facebook, put the code 50, 53 and number 8 and click submit button. Okay, now confirm. Now we have an account. So look the Facebook profile and add the cover photo. Click on the cover and upload. Now I put this cover and click on save. our home page. Now I add a current city, workplace, school, hometown, relationship status. So we click on edit public detail. The profile picture already add, cover already. Now add current city, workplace. It means add our detail. Okay, add workplace, add work. If you have work, you can add now. I don't add it, so I skip. This depends. Add high school. You can put your high school. Okay, I put this high school and click on save. And collect the University of Cambodia and sell. Okay, we can sell, or okay, can share to our profile and current city on Phnom Penh and sell. Okay, share at hometown Phnom Penh and share at relationship status. Okay, we can choose one. Now I choose a single, done, and sell. Have we done? Okay, click on sell. Look our profile again. So everything. Click on this, your name, and show like this. Okay, friend name. Example like hi, 3, 9, 8, 2, OU. Okay, I search. Now I click on add button. Add this, and wait for the accept. That's all for this video.